Hello and welcome to our video on Ozempic. Ozempic is a medication used to manage type 2 diabetes. It has gained a lot of popularity in recent years due to its effectiveness in controlling blood sugar levels. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Ozempic, including what it is, how to use it, benefits and side effects, and what it does to the human body. So, let's get started. What is Ozempic? Ozempic is a prescription medication that contains semaglutide. Semaglutide belongs to a class of drugs called GLP-1 receptor agonists. GLP-1 is a hormone that stimulates the pancreas to produce insulin, which helps to control blood sugar levels. Ozempic works by mimicking the effects of GLP-1, which means it stimulates insulin production and reduces the amount of glucose produced by the liver. How to use Ozempic? Ozempic is usually injected once a week under the skin, preferably in the abdomen, thigh, or upper arm. It is important to use the medication as prescribed by your doctor. Your doctor will determine the dosage that is right for you based on your individual needs. Benefits of Ozempic. Ozempic is a powerful medication that has many benefits. It is effective in lowering blood sugar levels, which reduces the risk of complications associated with diabetes, such as kidney disease, nerve damage, and blindness. Ozempic has also been shown to promote weight loss and reduce appetite, which can help patients with diabetes to maintain a healthy weight. Furthermore, Ozempic has a lower risk of causing hypoglycemia, or low blood sugar, compared to some other diabetes medications. Side effects of Ozempic. Like any medication, Ozempic can cause side effects. The most common side effects of Ozempic include nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, and constipation. These side effects usually improve over time as your body adjusts to the medication. However, if you experience severe or persistent side effects, you should contact your doctor. What Ozempic does to the human body. Ozempic works by stimulating insulin production and reducing the amount of glucose produced by the liver. This helps to lower blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes. In addition, Ozempic has been shown to promote weight loss and reduce appetite, which can help patients with diabetes to maintain a healthy weight. Results and time frame. Results from Ozempic can vary from person to person. However, many patients see improvements in their blood sugar levels within the first few weeks of starting the medication. Ozempic has also been shown to promote weight loss, with many patients losing an average of 4 to 5% of their body weight. It is important to continue using Ozempic as prescribed by your doctor to see the full benefits of the medication. In conclusion, Ozempic is a powerful medication that has many benefits for patients with type 2 diabetes. It works by stimulating insulin production and reducing the amount of glucose produced by the liver, which helps to lower blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes. Ozempic has also been shown to promote weight loss and reduce appetite, which can help patients with diabetes to maintain a healthy weight. If you are interested in Ozempic, talk to your doctor to see if it is right for you. Thanks for watching.